Hi, Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. This video is going to be very controversial because it is cheese, canning cheese. So if you disagree with Rebel Canning, I suggest you stop watching the video now. Although this can says that there is milk or dairy products in it, there are other ingredients that are unnatural, which makes me ask, really? Milk? Dairy? I just start scooping the nacho cheese straight out of the can into my jars. I don't even bother warming it up. Really, Rebel Canning. That's me. Use a chopstick to stir and get all the air bubbles out of it. Make sure your equipment is sterile and clean. I always make sure to fill it to this bottom ring and give me that headspace. Make sure to wipe off the rims as you would with any canning items that you have. Make sure it's sterile and clean before you put your rings on. Oh, by the way, this is vinegar in this bottle. I just place the lid and rings on as usual. No need to heat them up. They will go through the processing time. I also chose the half-pint jars. It's a perfect size for the hubby and me. You will notice I only have 12 jars here, but it actually makes 14 jars. I just held some out for dinner tonight. This is my absolute favorite canner. It's a fruit saver, and the information for it is in the drop down for you. As soon as the temperature comes up to the green mark, areas of your elevation, start processing the thyme for 15 minutes. Here is that absolutely gorgeous nacho cheese sauce. Of course, try it at your own risk. I do really want to thank you for watching this video. And as always, may God bless you.